Good day. In this video, we like to show you how to use Trust Wallet with pancakeswap to buy shitcoins that are very cheap with potentials. Please, before I continue, I would like to state clear that you should do your own research before investing your money in any cryptocurrency or anything at all you see online. Okay, having said that, I would like to show you how to use Trust Wallet and pancakeswap, because subsequently I'll be dropping signals of shitcoins that you need to buy through pancakeswap. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that immediately. Alright, this is Trust Wallet. So before you can swap on pancakeswap, I use BNB. You will need to deposit BNB in your wallet. So I've transferred my own BNB. So once you transfer your BNB to your wallet, you have to convert it from BNB to Smart Chain. One is 1-to-1. So once you convert it from BNB to Smart Chain, you'll be able to use it on pancakeswap, alright, to purchase any shitcoin of your choice. So I'm going to do that practically now. Alright, this is my BNB. So I'll click more. You said swap to Smart Chain. Okay. So you can swap everything you have. Remember, they'll charge you fee for the swap. So let me see. If you're not able to swap, that means the amount you have is maybe insufficient, because they will need to keep some few balance of BNB in your wallet, such as $2 BNB worth have to be left over in your BNB wallet. So let me see if this one will go. You can see this one I'm talking about is insufficient, so I have to reduce it to 0.199. Let me see. It's still insufficient, so this I'll keep. Okay, this will go. This will definitely go. Alright, let me use this then. Okay, that was because they need to keep a few BNB in my wallet. Okay, so it's successful already. So now I've successfully moved my it will soon reflect. I've successfully moved my BNB to Smart Chain 1-to-1. Alright, so now with the Smart Chain, I can go ahead on pancakeswap, or should I say the app, and used the Smart Chain to purchase any shitcoins of my choice. Let me give an example now. Okay, this is where you come. Alright, and before I continue, you can also use your Smart Chain to claim some airdrops. There are some airdrops that need you to pay some minor fees, which need to be paid in Smart Chain. Alright, so but for now I want to concentrate on how to use pancakeswap. Alright, this is pancakeswap here. Is a decentralized let me just say the decentralized exchange. Alright, so if you didn't convert your BNB to Smart Chain, you won't be able to use this pancakeswap, because this BNB you are seeing here is the one I converted to Smart Chain. Alright, so now there are two coins I want to buy for this video example, just to show you example in this video how it works. So there are two coins I want to buy, and these coins are not listed. I'm not sure if they are listed here, so I will have to get their smart contract and add them by myself. Alright, I think this is one of them. Okay, this is one of the coins I want to buy. This is one of the coins I want to buy. So yep, this is one of the coins I want to buy. So I will need to copy the smart contract address. This is only when the smart contract is on Binance Smart Chain. If it's not on Binance Smart Chain, you have to use F. So I'm working on coins that are on Binance Smart Chain currently. So I'll add the smart contract. You can see this is the coin. I'll now click add. Okay, now so the coin is added already. Okay, so I can now come and set niche man. Okay, all right, you can see it now. So I'll put the amount of BNB I'm ready to pay to convert to niche man. So I think I'm ready to convert 0. Should I say 1.5? 1.5. All right, let's keep that. So it will give me 0, almost 3 billion. It's giving me almost 3 point something billion each man. Okay, I now click on swap. Anyway, okay, so I've submitted the request for swap, though the price impact is high, which is 5%. That's why they warned me first to be sure if I'm okay to continue, because the price impact of 5%, that means it might increase the price in the market by 5%. All right, so that is the first coin. So I just showed as an example. Please, this is not an advice for you to buy the coin, just an example. So I think the second one too, let me show you too how this will work. Please, this is not an advice for you to buy the coin. Do your own research before you put your money in anything. Alright? Do your own research before putting your money in anything. So I'm just trying to show you how to use pancakeswap. I'm just trying to show you how to use pancakeswap with your trust wallet, okay? Because there are plenty cheap coins and shit coins that you can be buying that can give you tons of return, okay? I mean tons of return. What is the name of that? It says, okay, this is it. So I'll use 0.152. Okay, let me reduce the tolerance. Let me reduce the tolerance and see. Let me put 5 and see if it will work. So you keep increasing the tolerance until it works. At times it might throw error. Let me see if it will throw error. But if the tolerance is not high, okay, let me see if this one will go. Wow, you can see it goes, and the price impact is just too low, less than 1%. So you can see there is no warning for me. So you can see it has reflected already in my balance. So for these 2 coins that I've purchased now, for it to reflect in my wallet, okay, let me go back to my trust wallet. Okay, this is my trust wallet now. For it to reflect here, I'll have to add it manually. I have to add it manually, like come in here, add it manually. So I'll switch this to smart chain. Then I'll click this. Okay, add. You can see I've added it. You can see what I purchased for almost $90 is $85, but that's not an issue. It will still rise. And please don't put money that you are not afford to risk, because they are like gambling. These shit coins are like gambling. They are not like real projects. So don't put what you cannot afford to lose. Okay? So I can afford to lose that $80. That's why I'm putting that $80 there, because I can afford to lose it. Okay? I can afford to lose it. Okay, let me add this second guy. Please watch this video over and over again until you understand it. Oh, this is too bad. This is too bad. This is too bad. This is too bad. But notwithstanding, it will still rise. So I'll just keep holding until it rises. Alright? It will rise. So it's not an issue. You can see everything has reflected here. Everything has reflected here. So I hope this video will help you on how to use pancakeswap with your Trust wallet. Alright? Maybe I'll update you too once these coins gain more values. I'll drop an update as well. Alright, thank you, and please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel, even the Facebook page, and follow us on Telegram as well for more updates. Very soon we'll be dropping cheap shit coins that you can put little money that you can afford to lose into. Okay? Alright, thank you very much.